Hi, and in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how to write a letter to Santa Claus that he actually is going to open. No, I'm just kidding. Well, sort of. We gotta come up with subject lines for our emails, right? So in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about hacking subject lines because a lot of people get stuck on those, myself included, but I've got some tricks I'm gonna share with you. All right, so we love sending emails, right? Because that's the number one way to engage and talk to our customers and resell and increase our total customer value, get deeper relationships. We want to indoctrinate our leads. We got a million reasons to send emails, and every email has got to have a darn subject line. So we get stuck on those all the time. So here's a little hacking trick for you. The first thing you can do is go look in your own inbox. Literally. Go look at your own inbox and look at all the crap that's spamming you to death and look at the ones that stand out and re-edit those for your business. So if you're stuck, I mean, this seems like the simplest no-brainer in the world, but everybody overlooks this, myself included. I will sit there and stare at a subject line and an email body and be like, what am I doing? What am I doing? What are we going to say? How are we going to get this thing open? Da, 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 da. You know, and I'm like, the last 3 emails had a 31%. I don't want to send a bomb. I want to keep this, you know, this is like a crazy game you're playing. So my point is that the resources that you need are actually typically right at your fingertips in your own inbox, right? In your own spam folder, in your own, you know, whatever folders you got in your inbox where all your signups are. So look at your brands that you're buying from, your best brands, you know, global brands, national brands, and see what they're doing with their subject lines. Go ahead and, you know, bring in some emoticons, not like lines of them and being obnoxious, but one is always a little extra to stand out in the inbox feed for folks, kind of makes it feel like it's a little bit more personalized and certainly jumps out. So take advantage of that opportunity, but go ahead and re-hack back into your inbox. And if you don't have stuff like that because you're some sort of optimal email citizen that hasn't been attacked by every marketer, then set up a spammy account and go sign up for a bunch of stuff from great retailers that have great marketing that you want to emulate, right? In fact, go into your own industry and sign up for newsletters in your own industry. So if you're in restaurants, go sign up and be on the VIP list for like 20 different restaurants and see what they're sending out. Some of the stuff's probably not bad, and you can just refashion it, do a little twist and spin with those subject lines and reuse them. So don't get writer's block on stuff that's easy kill like this, because really in this type of thing, it's kind of recycle and reuse, recycle and reuse. And sometimes you can come up with a zinger on your own, but when you're stuck, this is a good hack for you. So go out there, keep crushing the emails, smash the like button on this video, and join me for the next one by becoming a subscriber.